Well, after a wet and bumpy ride home, I got it back in the shop. This is the Mount Fuji and Mai Tai Lounge neon sign. Mount Fuji opened on 72nd and Blondo in 1970. Japanese family opened it. It was the first Japanese restaurant in Omaha. Authentic. They recently had an auction and sold off all memorabilia, and this had to come home with me. So I had them taken down today. A couple of the tubes got broken in removal. This one has an old rusty electrode that was long broken, but these are clear glass. Easy repair on that one. Some of these are still intact. At least I hope so. Look at this hokey job. Someone bent the tube wrong, so they just said, oops, and drilled another hole. Oops, we bent the tube wrong. That's some shoddy workmanship. Like this guy here. Crooked. Crooked. Doesn't hit the housings right. So I could only attach it with one in the middle. One tube stand in the middle. Look at this M. That's not much of an M. Looks closer to an H. Of course, I can be very critical, but like to see me do a better job? Ha, right. Maybe soon. Maybe someday. Let's see, this is the side that was facing west. This is the west. So this got hit by the sun from the west. It's got a great patina. Looks to be hopefully a complete unit. A little side tubulation there. I think at one point, the word Fuji used to be, well, obviously with the housing, they're just two housings for one word. And at some point, that broke and they did a repair and just spliced or repaired, welded electrodes onto both ends of the brake and used a little jumper wire between them. Yeah, it works, I guess. You don't have to build a new unit. But again, look, another hokey fix. Bent the tube wrong. Well, let's drill another hole in the can. Some of these look a little newer. They still have a block out on them. But I can't remember the last time this sign, I don't know if I ever have seen this sign lit up. The Mount Fuji restaurant itself closed back in 2012, I believe it was. But the Mai Tai Lounge stayed open. It's a fantastic dive, my favorite bar in Omaha, the Mai Tai. It was in the basement, mid-century tiki bar, Polynesian themed drinks. Incredible. Bittersweet having this sign here. Means the place is closed and it's gone for good, but I had to have it. I had to add it to the collection. Unfortunately, on removal, they dented the bottom of the can. Let's see if I can see that very well, but dipped at the bottom of the can and broke this tube. That's probably one of the newer units here. Block out looks the most the freshest, I guess you could say. Not sure what color this used to be. Actually, there I do have a picture of it. Oh, the old picture of it lit up. May have been pink. This was the Mount Fuji. That was clear glass filled with neon. I believe the word Inn was blue and Mai Tai Lounge was pink. So since it's not a mercury tube, that could just be a simple splice on a new E, perhaps, for us. But got these little incandescent bulbs going up and down the sides. I do not know if they were on some sort of scintillator or chaser at all at one point, but I guess once I dig into the can, I might be able to find evidence of such. Anyway, glory. But that's it. We'll have to do a walk around and test some tubes and get inside there, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Rescuing another neon sign with me, Mount Fuji, Mai Tai Lounge. Subscribe for future updates, and see you next time.